Hi guys, my name is Jana. Welcome back to my channel. We are here in Bali and we will be here for 3 weeks. We are staying here at Risata Bali Resort and Spa. So that's our bed, double bed, a nice painting over there, television, and this is the bathroom. A balcony since my husband smokes, so this is perfect for him. There's a balcony here. Yeah, we got a garden view. And this is the swimming pool. We did not have a chance to swim here because we had to leave the next day. And this is the restaurant, the dining area. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye.